Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are discussing about assignment test, class 6th class from gathering food to growing the earliest people. Sublesson is domestication, settled life. The first question is, how do you think people protect the crops they select to show? Then yeah, already know about it. The people and completely select some type of seeds or crops. So here those are selecting some and type of plants, and then automatically and those are selecting some type of plants, and afterwards and those are selecting some type of animals. So because of and good yield, that is called as HYV. HYV means high yield varieties. What is that? High yield varieties. That is called as, and simply we call as a hybrid seeds. Is it right? So yeah, and then those are not only selecting in some type of and plants, and then what is that one? Some animals also completely selected, and then and those they need and good yield, right? And then as well as and they want and good what is that one? Animals, and for giving milk and for and good and healthy animals, and they want. That's why, and those are selecting some type of seeds, right? Seeds, and then and before and showing the what is crop, and then afterwards and those are select, and then afterwards and those are and selecting good and animals, and then and good, and then what is that one? Those are like ungul is one of the important and famous animals in our then region in Telugu region. Is it right? And then here, and not only in Telugu region, it is a famous for India also. So here, the different types of animals also completely select, and afterwards and they are and growing to them, they are selecting some type of products and from animals and as well as the plants. Is it right, children? Then we'll go to next question. Next question is, what is called domestication? Domestication nothing but the rearing the animals. Domestication nothing but rearing the animals. What is the meaning of rearing the animals? The animals and which are reared by the means people, and those are and called domestication. Here you see, when the people and show selected some type of crops, and those are protecting some type of and animals, and then and selected some type of animals and as well as the seeds, and those are and taking some type of and good and breed. Is it right? Good breed and of the animals, and those are protecting to them, and that is called as a domestication. Domestication nothing but then and selecting some type of plants and animals and reared by a person is known as domestication. Domestication means rearing and protecting. Rearing and protecting. Next, we'll go to third question. Next one, how do you think the early people stored grains? Yes, nowadays we also stored different types of grains in the godowns. Is it right? In the godowns. In the same way, and on those days, and those also means that the people, means early people also stored and some type of crops. Those are, and then they used some type of stones, wood, and here and mud, and then and dried grasses, right? And then dried and grasses, and then afterwards those are stored in some type of food grains, and such and grains are utilizing for further years or then next and weeks or then and sometime, because and all members are and get together, and those are and work together, they are getting and more products and from the and field, and then afterwards those are stored in their grains and for further years. And here, and then those are stored and the water, milk, and then other important things, food grains and other important things, because and then they need and cook grains because of the food grains and for and what is that one? Early people. And that's why the people and who are and staying a particular place, then automatically they build their houses. They build their houses. Afterwards, such house and used as a one of the room, and particularly using as a storehouse, that is called as a grain and house. Grain house. Because they stored their grains and which type of products are collecting and from the field, and afterwards they stored some type of grains and in the room. That's why it is called as a store grain or store room. And then one more important thing is here, and then those are utilizing different types of parts, big parts, and who are and making what is that one, potter, and then those are utilizing, they pour and sometimes some of the grains, right, grains like paddy, wheat and something, and then they those are pour and what is that one, stored in the big parts, right, big parts. Then that also one of the and important storage and place. And then another important thing is here, and those also collecting different types of and areas, and then when we are digging some different types of and things, and in the archaeological department also completely collecting different types of and parts and other and important storehouses, are then what is that one, and different types of and areas, and we will find it easily how those are and utilizing and some type of then bamboo sticks, and they and stored some type of grains, right? So and early people also means what is that one, stored and some type of grains and for further years. Okay, children. So here it is a good method. Means nowadays we are means what is saving some money. And then as well as and we are and what is the different types of grains also we are and completely stored in the storehouses. Okay, that is a good method, because not only and today FCI means Food Corporation of India. FCI, Food Corporation of India, is one of the and big organization, and that is the storage, means those are the store and some food grains for and further years of the what is that one, population of India. Okay, children, have a nice day. I hope that and you understood this assignment. Thank you.